Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to make idli fry, which is the quickest way to use leftover idlis to make a crispy and yummy snack. So let's get started, shall we? Here I'm using the leftover idlis and I also have some bullet idlis. But I want to say that while you can use the bullet idlis to make idli fry, I personally prefer using the regular idlis because I usually prefer cutting the idli bites in bigger pieces than the tiny bullet idlis. You can of course adjust the size of the pieces based on your preference. I prefer to cut a regular idli in 4 pieces, which is a good size that will ensure that even as the idli bites get crispy on the outside, the fried idlis will have enough of a bite and will be satisfyingly soft and chewy on the inside. I personally just prefer this contrasting texture. And again, based on your preference, you can choose to deep fry, air fry or oven bake them. I prefer to air fry these idli bites because it's quick, hardly takes any oil and we all love the texture. If you're air frying like me, just grease the basket with oil or oil spray, add the idli bites in and air fry at 390 Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Though this time can vary based on the kind of air fryer you have and the level of crisp you want. And there you have it, delicious crispy fried idli bites. Crisp on the outside and soft and chewy on the inside. Serve it with ketchup or your choice of dip and enjoy! For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!